All right, so I got these packages from a good friend of mine, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open them. So let me try and figure out how to open it. This person said that one box has cups and one box has like mats in them. So we'll see what this one is. Oh wow, okay, so this one's a box of cups. Okay, so we've got red crazy cups. Let's see, we've got a set of HY blues. These are original blacks. Let's see, these are another set of red crazy cups. Let's see, these are SO blues. Let's see. Yeah, here's the original blacks. I forgot I didn't show the camera. Original blacks. We got, I'm not gonna bring up all. HY blues. And then we got a mix of glows. And then we got SO pinks and I want to say SO green glows, I think. And then we got this. And these are SO yellows with a SO blue glow on the bottom. So those are those. All right, now on to the other box. They said that this box contains like mats and stuff. So I'm excited to see what this all has in here. Who knew opening boxes could be so hard? Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness. I don't want to rip the box, but you know what? I probably have no choice. Well, there we go. All right, so what mats do? Oh my goodness, these are a lot of mats. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera this way so I can show y'all. Oh, this is, bruh. An original stack mat. Oh, it's upside down. An original stack mat, like the Gen 1? Bruh, that's sick. Bruh, awesome. Okay, then we've got the classic stack mat. There's actually 3 of them in here. So we got that one, and we got 2 others. And then we've got, ooh, I like this. We've got this one. I don't even know the name of it. These are all like Gen 2, or Gen 2, I think I want to say. Okay, anyway. We got these, the rainbow-ish, like raindrop thing. That's sick. And we got 3 of these. What is wrong? I can't hold anything today, apparently. We got 3 of these. So this one, as well as 2 others. But wow, all right. So that's my unboxing of all of this. If that person happens to see this video, I just want to say thank you so much. Like a Gen 1 stack mat, that is, whew, it's a blast from the past. This is actually, back when I first started stacking, this was the mat like that they were using, the Gen 1 stack. This is the type of mat that they were using when I first started. So that's sick. But thank you so much. Peace out. Trade hard, never give up, constantly have a goal, stack fast. I'll see y'all later.